नवनियुक्त मेघालय के पुलिस महानिदेशक ईडा सीसा नोंगरान ने मेघालय के लिए अलग कैडर के विचार से सहमत नहीं है। उन्होंने बताया कि एक छोटे राज्य के रूप में मेघालय में सीमित रिक्तियां होंगी, जिससे भारत सरकार की रोस्टर प्रणाली के कारण स्थानीय उम्मीदवारों की अवसर प्रभावित होंगी। नोंगरान ने नागालैंड के अनुभव का हवाला दिया, जहां हर 3 से 5 साल में केवल एक बार ही अंदरूनी रिक्तियां निकलती है, जिससे अक्सर योग्य स्थानीय लोगों को अवसर नहीं मिल पाते। नोंगरान ने इस बात पर जोर दिया कि असम के साथ संयुक्त कैडर मेघालय के लिए फायदेमंद है। उन्होंने अपने खुद का अनुभव साझा करते हुए कहा, संयुक्त कैडर ने उन्हें डीजीपी पद हासिल करने में मदद की।
Personally, I don't think that is a very good suggestion. Why? Because if you look at it, we are a small state. We would have a small cadre. And the roster system that a lot of people don't know about, there is a roster system in the government of India, where only 1/3 of the vacancies goes to the locals, whoever is the insider, whoever is a domicile in the state. Okay, so that insider vacancy will arise only every third vacancy. So if you in a small cadre like us, like take a typical example of Nagaland. It's a small cadre. It's always been a separate cadre. You've had nearly every year you have people from Nagaland qualifying. How many of them get into the Nagaland cadre? Because that insider vacancy arises only with every third vacancy, and every year there's only about maybe one every second. It's not even a guarantee that you have a vacancy every year. So maybe you get that insider vacancy once every 3 years, once every 4 years, or even once every 5 years. So that way you lose out. Whereas we as a joint cadre, we have the strength of Assam is much more. The strength of Meghalaya is not even 1/3 of Assam, what the strength of the cadre strength of So if we had been a separate cadre, I can guarantee you that I wouldn't have been in Meghalaya DGP. Because even in the year that I qualified, 1992, there were only three vacancies for a joint cadre, and because there were 3 vacancies, one went to an insider, and I was the only insider who had qualified that year. So that's how I landed up in a home cadre. I had 2 friends from Manipur, one friend from one batchmate from Nagaland. We landed up in different cadres, not the home cadre, because there was no vacancy. That is the problem with a small cadre.